breathing. Breathing, we inhale and exhale this moment into being. Allowing the breath to calm the mind. Creating a space of opening, a space of receptivity. A space that is conducive to inner peace. To expanding love. So we simply allow ourselves to rest in this moment, knowing that there is no thing to be, there is no right way to show up. We simply relax into this mindful moment, aware, directing the attention to the breath, allowing any thoughts to simply drift in and out of the mind without attachment. With each breath, we allow ourselves to go more deeply into this moment, more deeply into the stillness. We allow ourselves to simply feel that stillness in the body. Just notice what it's like. Still. And to allow the mind to have time in the stillness. To step apart for a while. And just be, breath by breath, in the peace of the silence. Breathing in, breathing out. We allow this meditation to be the portal by which we bring this peace with us into this moment. And we ask this peace to go before us in our day and in our lives. Because we know in each moment peace is a possibility. It is right where we are, awaiting our present moment awareness. We open up in this moment to anyone who may be on our prayer list, who may need our light at this time, our loving thoughts. So I invite you to hold them in your heart or say their names aloud. By the power of this practice, may all beings have the healing that comes from knowing their wholeness within. May all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that they are born blessed, worthy, whole, and complete, and that it is the undeniable, unchangeable truth of their being to behold that birthright. Namaste.